if the sequence of one strand of DNA is written as follows, that is 5 prime to 3 prime, if this is the sequence, that is A, T, G, C, A, T and so on. Write down the sequence of the complementary strand in 5 to 3 dash direction. So first we have to write the complementary nitrogenous base sequence for this strand and then write it in 5 to 3 dash direction. So in the previous question we have learned that the nitrogenous base pairs in DNA are complementary to one another. For every adenine there would be thymine. For guanine there would be cytosine. So that means always adenine pairs with thymine and cytosine pairs with guanine. And these two nitrogenous base pair are held together by hydrogen bonds. So between adenine and thymine there are 2 hydrogen bonds. Between cytosine and guanine there are 3 hydrogen bonds. So between AT there would be 2 and between GC there would be 3. Now this is constant. It is found in the DNA. Now the sequence given in the question is from 5 prime to 3 prime. This A, T, G, C, A, T, G, C and goes on. Now let us write the complementary strand for this. So opposite to adenine there would be thymine. And for thymine there is adenine. For guanine, cytosine. For cytosine, guanine. For adenine, thymine. And this goes on. Now once we write the complementary strand for 5 prime to 3 prime, the next part is write down the sequence of the complementary strand in 5 to 3 dash direction. So the DNA is anti-parallel in nature. So the polarity is not same. So if one end has got 5 prime, the other end would be 3 prime. So here it is 3 prime. So the opposite end would be 5 prime. Now this is called as anti-parallel. We have got a complementary strand, but it runs from 3 prime to 5 prime. But we want the sequence in the direction 5 prime to 3 prime. So we have to write it in a reverse way. So from here to here. So it should be G, C, A, T, G, C and it should go on. So when we write it in a 5 prime to 3 prime, so this would be our sequence. So this question is very simple. So first write the complementary base pairs for the existing strand 5 to 3 prime and your existing strand would be in a direction 3 prime to 5 prime. And then write the 5 prime to 3 prime in a reverse order. That is from this end to this end. Then you will get the correct answer.